This is a weird PC build, but weird things is fun, isn't it? Hey, how's it going on, buddy? This is Shihab. So what I did here, I pull out every component from a full tower case, which is a complete desktop PC, made a case with paperboard and some tape, and implement all the component into it. In bottom it has 5 legs, then a really strong paperboard. Onto that sitting the power supply unit and hard drive. It has enough space so you can add 3 hard drive or maybe 1 or 2 SSD or 2 hard drive. In the middle of this build has a metal chassis and the main board just sitting top on it. It's running Intel Core 2 Duo 2.93 GHz, 4 gigs of RAM, 1 TB Western Digital Caviar Blue hard drive, 500 watt a local power supply unit. As you can see, it has a front air intake window, the rear exhaust, and the motherboard place is just open, so heat consumption is nice. In front it has a 1 power button and reset button, then a headphone and a microphone jack, and 2 USB 2.0 port, and also of course a power lamp. So as you can see, it's really very lightweight, so you can carry it easily, and definitely not so wobbly that it will be break down. So it's rigid enough and lightweight enough so you can carry it easily. Thanks for watching. Please keep tuning in my channel, and please subscribe to my channel to get more tech videos, and I will see you soon with some more cool tech videos. Bye bye.